Assalamu alaikum. I am Saima Bab, an electrical instructor. Today I am going to share my thoughts on truly inspiring TED talk titled The Role of Curiosity in Learning by the great educational thinker Sir Ken Robinson. This talk is not just about education, it's about the heart and soul of learning itself, curiosity. Let's begin with the short introduction of Sir Ken Robinson. He was a world-renowned education expert, author, and speaker who devoted his life to transforming how we think about learning and creativity. His famous TED Talk, Do Schools Kill Creativity, is one of the most viewed talk of all the time. Robinson believed that the real purpose of education is not merely to fill minds with facts, but to awaken curiosity, creativity, and the joy of discovery within every learner. In this talk, the role of curiosity in learning, Sir Ken beautifully explained that curiosity is the engine of achievement. It is the spark that drives our genuine learning. Every child, he says, is naturally curious. They ask questions, explore, make mistakes, and learn from them. But as they grow up and enter formal schooling, that natural curiosity often fades away. Schools, unfortunately, tend to focus more on giving the right answers than encouraging the right questions. According to Robinson, the purpose of education should be not to kill curiosity but to cultivate it. If we can inspire students to want to learn, they will become lifelong learners, and that's the true goal of education in the modern world. Today's knowledge changes faster than ever before. The people who thrive are those who never stop asking, exploring, and learning. Sir Ken shares a touching example in his talk. A young student once asked his question from the teacher, "Why is the sky blue?" The teacher could have given a scientific answer, but the real beauty lies in that question itself, in the curiosity that led the child to wonder about the world. Robinson reminds us that teachers should nurture their curiosity instead of shutting it down. He emphasizes that teachers are not just instructors but guides and enablers of curiosity. A great teacher does not only teach information, they inspire questions, creativity, and confidence. They make the classroom a safe space where students can think differently, experiment, fail, and try again. Robinson also thought that curiosity is not only vital for students but for teachers and adults too. When educators themselves remain curious, passionate, and open to learning, they inspire their students to do the same. Education, he says, must be shared journey of the discovery, not a one-way delivery of the facts. Throughout the talk, Sir Ken provides real examples of schools and teachers who broke traditional modes and designed learning environments around curiosity. The results were incredible. Students became more engaged, creative, and successful. From my perspective, this talk is not just a speech, it's a call to action. Sir Ken Robinson challenges all of us, teachers, parents, and policymakers, to rethink education from the ground up. If curiosity is the fuel for learning, then we must protect it and celebrate it. In conclusion, I truly believe that curiosity is the light that keeps the flame of learning alive. As an educator, it's our duty to ensure that this light never dims. We must not only teach what to think, but more importantly, how to think. My final message is this: as long as we keep asking questions, we keep growing. And that is the true power of curiosity. Thank you all so much for listening. Allah Hafiz.